Doggy's here helping me, has a stick, but first good target, I don't know, an Indian or a wheat scent. Headphone jack on my detector broke, so I guess it's time to get a better one. Had it about like a year and a half. It only seriously been doing the work for finding good sites, historic sites for like the last year. Anyway, we finally pulled a flat button, and before that, I didn't get to film whatever this thing is. Cool. Getting there. Well, it's my third pocket knife from here. This one, unfortunately, is not going to clean up. Oh, we just pulled this out. Sounded good. It's a tin of some sort. You can see the hinges in the back. We'll get this cleaned up. Another coin. Now we have a Wheatie. I didn't film this in the hole because it sounded like a zinc penny, but it's not. I have no idea what it is, but play money, foreign coin. See, that's 17, and the EN. I'm gonna have to clean this up, but it's aluminum. Oh, this is hard to see because the sun, but pulled the old button.
It's always nice when you find like the best thing right before you're leaving.
Yeah, so right before I'm leaving, tripped over this thing.
It's usually like the first thing.
We'll clean it up. Like we also found this, which I did not film. Come on, light. I don't know what it is. And this thing, I also don't know what it is, but it's big and it's brass and it's heavy.